the area has been covered. Hello and welcome to Spiritual Garage. Welcome to my house actually. What we're going to do today, we're painting the cage. Gold color is the choice for this project and we're going for metallic gold. Since the weather is not too perfect, not too hot, I decided to run a little heater. So it's actually kind of warm right now. Which is good. Pull the windows out for better access. So a little update. So far most of the area has been covered. Windows have been covered, those windows have been pulled out, so there is no issue with that. Just gotta tape as much of the crucial and necessary areas as possible and then spray everything. The areas over here, as you guys can see the tape, that's basically because I want to put an X bar across. I'm not gonna paint that because later on I will not be able to weld shit to this without cleaning. Any questions? None. Let's continue. First coat has been laid. Looks pretty nice. More to come. Checking for any imperfections, which there is plenty. We will cover that with number 2. Really?
Oh man, you're killing me.
So other than breaking a few drill bits, actually, we've got everything accomplished. Just gotta put everything back together. We have about 4 coats of gold on this side and the other side of the bars. Everything else is nicely painted, and we actually have the roof finished as well. Let's take a look how it looks like. Everything is riveted, so in case I need to remove it, it's an easy step, just drill it out. Everything seems to be good. The top looks sort of like this. It's just a 20 gauge sheet metal that I decided to do. 35 inch by 24, I believe, if I'm actually by 21 and a half. So it's 35 by 25 and a half, spaced out perfectly, so it's nice and even. And now it's reassembly time, so gotta put the dash in, followed by everything else. So we're in the process of putting in the seats. The dash is almost in. Just gotta get some bolts in there, dress everything up nicely, put the panel in, and some other accessories, and we are DONE. Gold cage looks awesome with the black seats, red belts, and actually kind of matches the beige bullshit dashboard, which it's not that bad. Honestly, I pictured the worse. That's been an idea for today. Today is Sunday. Yes, I'm at the shop because I'm gonna wash the drift car and take it to a car show, which I understand this car is not car show ready. It's a drift car. But hey, let's take it to a little car show get together over here in by Sonic and Algonquin and see people's reaction. Let's see how they like or do not like the car. To this get together in Algonquin. It is windy, like extremely fucking windy. But we got fuel. Then we have this M3. That's a restore project. This one guy.